What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I'm gonna probably do everything 100% wrong, and I don't know how to do wood. I mean, I know how to cut it and put a screw in it. It's probably about pretty much it. I don't know how to build anything. So what I'm gonna do is I want to build for my element. So I want to build a whole cabinet here. And that's all the wood right there. I think I got plenty of wood. I want to build it myself. I really can't afford $2,000 or $3,000 for something. I mean, it looks really nice, but I just cannot afford that. So I do know how to finish wood, sanding and clearing or painting, whatever that may in case. But actually building an actual cabinet, no. I don't have an idea. So I'm pretty sure you guys will say, oh, I should have done it that way. You should have did this. You should have did it that way. But I'm not. I'm just going to wing it. I have no like drawings or anything. I can imagine, I can picture it. That's the good thing. I can picture it, how I want it to look and how I want it to fit. But getting it there is a problem. So I'm just gonna start working on it. You guys are more than happy to watch. Get started. All right, so the first thing I thought about was a template. So let me get in here. I was thinking of starting it here, and I did a cutout for a template. I don't want to take it all the way to the end. I want to put it right where this fire extinguisher is at. And I don't know if I should go straight up and down, which will probably be okay, or if I want to lean it in, like the curvature of the car. I really like the curvature of the car, but my cuts is going to have to be, I mean, spot on. I could come in a little bit more, but I kind of like it about right there, straight up and down that way. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for this end yet, but it is gonna probably be something like that. And the bottom, I am gonna have the bottom curve in, so I can actually sit where I'm sitting right now and have one, I can put my feet out, and two, to get this cover open. Because if I have it all the way down here, probably not going to get it open. I kind of want it a little bit lower instead of right there. Actually bring it down. And also the second thing I thought about is putting it right here, and then put the other part way down so I can cover all of this area and have more room. Well, have it more like this instead of, you know, boxed off like that. I would probably prefer it like this, because I have some ideas what I want to put there that's never going to be touched. So that's probably what I'm gonna do is bring it down like this up here, and then like this, so I can actually use this because I got stuff down in here. I don't have a wheel down in there. That's a whole nother story, a spare. But, and then take it up like that. So let me turn this back over. So we're gonna go something like that there, and then like that, then a part that drops down, and then like that, and then like that, and then I'm not sure how far I'm gonna come out that up there. I kind of want to stop right at the line here, but if it's over a little bit, not a big problem. So yeah, let's get to cutting. Let's see how this is gonna fit. It's almost there. I mean, I actually live with that. I want to refine this corner some more here. I kind of want it to come out, maybe. If I put it like that, I'm gonna lose a lot of space. If I angle it, something like that, then I can get more space there. I could take it all the way to the end, but then I'll cover up. No, I won't be covering that up. I want it somewhere around here, but up a little higher. Now, that's going to be a very intricate cut there. And I knew this part was going to be the hardest. That's why I started in this area here, because I know this is going to be the hardest. The inside is not going to be that hard because it doesn't slope down and curve in and all that craziness. And I guess that's why they all build them like that, mostly because it's just simple up and down. But if I get rid of this area here, then I can bring it over more. All right, let's try that. All right, so this is what I got so far. I think I'm extended all the way out to the window instead of cutting it straight off and you can actually see all the way through. I decided to make it where it fits inside like that. I honestly wanted it way out here, but I think it's a little bit more practical going in just a little bit, and then I can actually hang stuff here, like put my fire extinguisher back right there. So I'm gonna do something like that, and it goes all the way into the window, so I think that's pretty cool. It's got a little flavor here, but that's okay. The lines, I have to clean them up, sharpen them up a little bit better, because yeah, they're like so the next one I want to start on is let's see, this one right here that goes down. I'm going all the way to the floor with the, well, yeah, mostly to the floor with this one, because it's going to go down here, across, back up, and then across here. So I can actually still use this. This will be up at an angle right here. This is also going to be up at an angle, but it's going to go mostly to the floor, so I can still access this down here. So I'm going to start on this one here, see if I can somewhat get that one cut out. All right, so got that wall in. That was actually, well, yeah, of course it's going to be a little bit easier. I do have a little crack there, but let me show you guys here real quick. Just because of that, I'm gonna have to probably, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I know I could fiberglass it, tape it all up, and then fiberglass it and make it 100% sealed where you can't see in it. I might end up doing that depending if I want to keep the wood grain. Now, if I want to keep the wood grain, then I would have to do something different. I kind of want to, I don't know. I don't know yet. It's hard to tell, but I do like this. I did have to trim a little piece of the plastic right here, because at first I had it all the way down and then I brung it up some, so, but I still needed to clearance that a little bit. And also this here, I would have wanted it a little bit tighter, but being I don't know too much about wood, yeah. I could cut it here and slide it back more, but for right now it's even, and it goes all the way to the top, which I like. It goes all the way to the bottom. Now the bottom, remember I said I was gonna cut it. I still gotta cut it from here and then up so I'd have a slant. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that yet. I'm honestly not sure, because I was thinking about boxing it from here to probably about here and have this little area here, another little storage compartment. This is going to be a storage compartment, and then all the way up here, storage. And then this one is going to go right here like this. So I like that. And I just need to grab a piece of wood and try to keep them as leveled as possible. Now, making it like this, where it's real tight, it's probably gonna be hell to put in and out. It's probably gonna be hard to, you know, take in and out, but I'm kind of digging that. That part won't stay. That's pretty much it. I have to get to work, so I think it's almost 12 o'clock. So I have to get to work at 12:30. So I'm working late today, and that's it. Until then, guys, I will talk to you guys later. This is only part one. I'm trying to get it done maybe within 4 parts, maybe 5. Give myself a little time there, but it'll be somewhat in that time frame. So not just only doing that storage compartment, I am also going to make a, like, let me show you, some type of bench area here, going from here all the way over and then back, and also where to turn into a bed. Now I would love it where it's a small bench and then folds over to a bed that comes all the way to this part here. And that's why I was talking about cutting this off so I could have room for your feet. I might end up still doing that. I'm not sure yet, but I would love to have this where a bench comes all the way down here. You can sit here and still put your feet in this area here. I still may do that. But, and then also, I don't know if you guys can tell, it actually has a little curvature to that. I'm gonna have to fix that. Since I don't have, I don't know what they call it, a table saw, where you could just, you know, run it along there. I don't have to buy one off a Facebook Marketplace, but every time I message them, they either sell it or just don't answer. So it's hot. It's extremely hot. Well, until then, guys, if you have any comments to help me out with this, or what's your recommendations, please comment down below and let me know, because I have, again, no idea what I'm doing. So please help me out. Until then, guys, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later.